So what I am going to do, I want voltage sources. The circuit says this is AND gate. Circuit says this is AND gate. Two NMOS transistors. A and 0 is there. A and 0 is there. Okay. So I will complete that A and 0. A is already given. 0 followed by 5 volts. Then this is delay time, rise time, fall time, on period and time period. On period and time, total time period. This is for A, input A. And here it should be logic 0. If you see here, this is logic 0. Logic 0 means directly grounded. Logic 0 means directly grounded. Okay. So you can move this and directly ground it. Okay. And then if you see here, there is a small extra wire. Here there is a small extra wire. I am removing it. So I have removed that. This extra wire I tried to remove. Okay. So now I will go with the voltage sources. This is A. Okay. This is B. And this is B bar. Escape button. You see the PPT. First NMOS, it is A and B at the control variable. This is A and B at the control variable. Second NMOS, it is B bar. Okay. This is A. So how to give the settings for A? Right click, advanced, pulse model, 0, 5, then delay is 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano, on period for A is 8 milliseconds, time period 16 milliseconds. Okay, this is for A. Okay. Now coming to B. This is B. At the first NMOS, control variable at gate terminal is B. Go to advanced. It should be same as that of A. 0 followed by 5 only. 0 followed by 5 for initial voltage and on voltage. Delay time for everything it is 0.5 nano. Rise time 1 nano. Fall time 1 nano. Common for all signals we are maintaining. Okay, common for all signals. Then time period, on period is 4 milliseconds, time period is 8 milliseconds. B and B bar we have to maintain 4 milli, 8 milli. Only then in the waveform we will get that 0001 combinations of input. We can check all possible inputs and the respective outputs. Okay, this is B. B bar should be opposite. This is B bar. This should be opposite. Right click, advanced, go to pulse. You have to start with 5 voltage, then 0 voltage. 5 and 0. Then delay it should be 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano, then on period 4 milli, time period is 8 milli. 4 milli, 8 milli, it is same for B and B bar. But for A, it is 8 milli, 16 milli. Okay. Okay. This is B bar. This is B bar. This is B. This is A. And the second NMOS, the source terminal is grounded. This is about the circuit here. Drain terminals are connected together and we take output at the drain terminals. This is our output point. Okay. Now coming to simulate, edit simulate. Maximum 16 milli we have given in all the signals. So the minimum in the simulation time you have to give 16 and above 16 anything is valid. Okay. Now what I will do, just execute. Now this is circuit and this is the output waveform. Go to window, tile them vertically. Then go to the waveform, right click, add plot plane, 3 waveforms we are going to see. Click in the first waveform window, go to run button and then click on A variable. This is A variable, waveform will come for A. Click in the second window, go to run button. And B, where is this B? You should be very clear. Okay, otherwise it will give a lot of confusion. This is B variable as per circuit. You will have all the combinations. Here 1 1 is there, 1 0 is there, 0 1 and 0 0. Okay, so 1 1, 1 0, 0 1, 0 0. All 4 combinations are there. Click in the third window, third waveform. Go to run button. Click in the output point. You should get. Okay, so only for 1 1 it should be 1. Only for 1 1 it should be 1. So this changes whatever happening. This is this is weak 0, something like this. Glitching, the concept is glitching. Okay, so actually for 1 0, it should come 0. 1 0, it should come 0, and for 0 1 it is 0, correct only. For 0 0 it is 0. Okay, that shift which is happening in the output, so only this point we should have 1, and later on everything should be 0. That shift which is happening from 1 to 0, it is not proper. That is called glitch, and that is the disadvantage in pass transistor, and such things will be overcome in transmission gate. This is because of the concept strong 1 strong 0, weak 1 weak 0, and these problems will be overcome in transmission gates. This is pass transistor. Okay, here there is a jump from 1 to 0, that is not happening properly. The decrease in amplitude is shown but not happening properly. Again 0 is maintained, at that time it is okay, it is coming down to 0. Okay, so this is about AND gate. This is about AND gate.